Whippet coat color genetics, the science behind it. When it comes to the Whippet dog breed, their coat color genetics are truly fascinating. Whippets come in a variety of coat colors and patterns, ranging from solid to brindle and everything in between. In this article, we will delve into the science behind Whippet coat color genetics, exploring how these beautiful dogs inherit and express their coat colors. To understand the genetics of Whippet coat colors, it is important to know a bit about basic genetics. Genes are the units of heredity that determine the characteristics of an organism. In the case of coat color, specific genes play a vital role in determining the pigmentation and pattern of a Whippet's coat. One of the key genes involved in Whippet coat color genetics is the MC1R gene. This gene controls the production of a protein called melanocortin-1 receptor, which is responsible for the production of black and red pigments in the coat. The MC1R gene has several different variants, or alleles, which can produce a range of coat colors in Whippets. The most common coat color in Whippets is fawn, which ranges from a light cream to a deep red. The fawn color is primarily determined by the interaction between the MC1R gene and another gene called the ASIP gene. The ASIP gene inhibits the production of black pigment and allows the red pigment to be expressed, resulting in the fawn coat color. Another common coat color in Whippets is brindle. Brindle is characterized by a coat with a darker background color and lighter stripes or markings. The brindle pattern is determined by a gene called the K locus. The K locus has two alleles, K, which produces a solid-colored coat, and KBR, which produces the brindle pattern. A Whippet with one copy of the KBR allele will have a brindle coat, while a Whippet with two copies of the K allele will have a solid coat color. In addition to fawn and brindle, Whippets can also inherit and express other coat colors such as black, blue, and white. The black and blue colors are controlled by a gene called the D locus. The D locus has two alleles, D, which produces full pigmentation, and D, which results in a diluted pigment. A Whippet with two copies of the D allele will have a blue coat color, while a Whippet with at least one copy of the D allele will have a black coat color. White markings on Whippet coats are controlled by a gene called the S locus. The S locus has two alleles, S, which produces solid coloring without white markings, and SP, which produces white markings. The presence or absence of white markings on a Whippet's coat is determined by the interaction between the S and SP alleles. It is important to note that coat color genetics in Whippets can be complex, with multiple genes and alleles interacting to produce a variety of coat colors and patterns. Additionally, there may be other genes and factors involved in coat color inheritance that are yet to be discovered. Understanding the genetics behind Whippet coat colors is not only fascinating but also has practical applications. Breeders can utilize this knowledge to selectively breed for specific coat colors or patterns, while pet owners can appreciate the beauty and diversity of Whippet coat colors. In conclusion, Whippet coat color genetics are a complex interplay of genes and alleles that determine the pigmentation and patterns in these beautiful dogs. Genes such as MC1R, ASIP, K, D, and S, among others, play a crucial role in defining the coat colors and patterns seen in Whippets. By unraveling the science behind Whippet coat color genetics, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate design of these amazing canines.